Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. How you doing? So, getting towards the end of this Sau Tao series. It's kind of funny. The first episode of this series posted today on YouTube, so it looks like I'm 2 months ahead, or 2 weeks ahead. This is the 14th review of a 15-part series, which is the max I do for a meat manufacturer. And it's gone by really well. Usually it's like, everything's all the same. And it's like their stuff is so varied. It makes it nice and fun. This one is their Taiwanese style sliced noodle pepper and sesame flavor. So I'm all over that. That sounds nice. So let's do it. Just got off the phone with my brother Moshe. How you doing, Moshe, if you're listening? Yeah, he lives in Israel, which is a long way away. Well, I definitely want to visit. I never even... the whole thing is, I didn't even know I had a brother until, it's almost a year now since I actually met him in person for the first time in my life. And yeah, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, I'd never thought of going, I'd thought about going to Europe, but like, down south there, and I never thought of that. But now it's like, sounds interesting. How long do you go for? 4 minutes? Yes. 4 minutes for the pepper and sesame. There you go. Let's try not to let this boil over. Yeah, his son, my nephew, died recently, in the last week or so, just over a week. He was fighting lymphoma, and then he got coronavirus, and that's what did it. Sad, really sad. Sounds like he was a heck of a guy. And I am definitely bummed that I didn't get to meet him in person. But as my brother says, he doesn't write the script. So, anyways, man, I am so caffeinated. I've had way too much caffeine today, to the point that I'm like, too much caffeine. But yeah, talked to him on the phone. Jeez, it's almost 3 o'clock already. That's pretty late. But I've got this hat. It's different. I got some tickets. 50 cents off. Soup. I got plenty of soup. And noodles to go along with it, so I'm good. That's the thing about caffeine. If you have too much caffeine, it has the opposite effect. At least to me. Open Nature Icelandic. What? 5.3 ounce container of Open Nature Icelandic yogurt. Maybe. I don't know. That's a maybe. I won't eat it. I gotta totally get back on the diet wagon. I feel like, yeah. I will. Tough though. I'm gonna switch off of the ice cream and switch over to fat-free yogurt. That would be my evening's dessert. Not only that, I'm switching 100% back over, instead of using rice, to using, what do you call it? Hakubaku mochi barley. I was doing a lot of that at the beginning, and now I'm like, yeah. Need to get back into that, because that stuff, boy, it's good. And it's lower calorie. What the heck's going on? Okay, I guess we'll see if this works. The bad camera was out of juice. I don't know. Ouch. Yeah, we'll see if that works. I got it plugged in. Yeah, you drain the noodles. Yeah, I hate it when my gear like gets low on juice. Like, I swore it was charged. And it's charging right now, I think. It should work out. I hope. So we got some soy sauce going in. I'm guessing this is soy sauce. And we got some sesame sauce going in. It's supposed to be a sesame pepper noodle. So Szechuan pepper. There's this kind of peanut buttery kind of sesame thing going on. Come on. I didn't follow my rule. Kneading your sachets. They need to be kneaded. And if you don't knead them, this happens. Very hard to get them out. You want it to be like warm. That makes the pastes come out a lot easier. Yeah, like I was saying, I've had like way too much caffeine today. I'm feeling all and now, oh, great. So that means, now that I've said that, people are gonna like, dude, I'm so worried about you. That's like my least favorite thing, is internet worry. I've gotten that for years. Dude, you're really overweight. I'm worried about you. Dude, you've lost a lot of weight. I'm worried about you. It's like, you don't know me from Adam, you're worried about me. Forget about it. You're gonna be fine. I'm worried about you people, you know? Actually, I try not to worry. Because worry doesn't do anything but take the sandwiches out of your mouth and the cheese out of your hair. Now, you want to worry about something. Worry about the fact that the director of the group that was working on the vaccine with the government, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, worry about that guy. Just got canned because he wasn't all about hydroxychloroquine. Worry about that. Worry about the fact that your president has decided that being a president is a vanity project. There I go. Bye-bye, 8,000 YouTube subscribers. That's fine with me. So here we go. That's love. It's got that nice kind of sesame and peanut butter kind of hit to it. And then soy sauce. That's where it's at. Man, I could eat this in like seconds. I'm starving. Yeah, I like that. I like the fact that it's still recording too. That's a plus. Okay, so what are we gonna do here? We're going to add our noodle. Whoops. Well, I didn't mean to flip that out of the bowl. I'll flip it into my face hole. Made some eggs this morning. Kids are out in the living room listening to Kyari Pamu Pamu. There's a new Kyari Pamu Pamu video coming out tomorrow. If you don't know who Kyari Pamu Pamu is, just go look her up. Kyary Pamu. She's a Japanese pop star, but like, she's pretty cool. We actually saw her down in Seattle. Not a swearing episode. It's not gonna be a swearing episode, I swear. But it's leaning into becoming one, I swear. Can we recover? I don't believe so. We're just gonna have half an egg in this one. And as beautiful as that egg looks, nope, not gonna eat it. It's gonna go down to disposal. Papa getting back on the wagon, damn it. And there ain't a damn thing you people can do about it. Okay. How can you waste that food? Because yeah, I gained 10 pounds. No thank you. No, thank you. And how can we make this complete? We're gonna add in the love sludge. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing is better than a little love sludge. Ooh. Right there. Ugh. Hold on, I'll push the button. No, it doesn't need push. Man, I need to walk to the store and get more of this stuff. I think it's raining. Raining. There you go. Time for rotation with Rotato. Alright. All right. Well, yeah, this is delicious stuff. I recommend it. I'm a really big fan of Taiwanese noodle stuff, so I don't know if this one's actually produced in Hong Kong or in Taiwan, but either way, good stuff if you could find it. Alright, it's been Odds the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.
The Mayonnaise Tower was unearthed in 1908 by renowned paleontologist Turd Ferguson. Noted for its scent of cheese and a palace for the ancient mayonnaise kings, the tower has captured the minds and bowels of millions, most notably the chairman of the Antwerp charity Rambling Stokes Manevers.